Hello Mac users, this is Hasibur, and I was having an issue with system zoom from the window and zoom and from window zoom. But when I use a keyboard shortcut inside the settings, it is not working properly for all the window. So I fixed that using an AppleScript, and I find that this green button, when I press the Alt key, this green button is converted to plus. If I click plus, it is zooming. If I click plus again, then it is zooming out again. So that's how I created an AppleScript to fix this zooming issue. I called it as system zoom. This is the app. This is the AppleScript. Open it with Skype editor application, and if I hit run, it is zooming the application window. Run again, zooming out. Let's see the keyboard shortcut how it works. This is my carabiner keyboard shortcut list, and this is the AppleScript, and the keyboard shortcut is mouse pointing button 4. Like here, I have this here like this. If I click the mouse pointing button 4, it is zooming. Click again, zooming out. Click again, zooming, zooming out. That is how I fixed the system zoom on my end.